Happy morning, children. Welcome to Blue Stars High Secondary School online classes. So today your class is for 6th standard English. Your lesson name is The Friendly Mongoose. You know what is a mongoose, right? Okay. Yes, mongoose is the one which is an enemy to a snake, isn't it? Which has a bushy tail. Okay, you would have seen a mongoose somewhere, isn't it? Yes. So here, this lesson is about a friendly mongoose. Let us see what is happening in the lesson. Okay. So before that, you can just get ready with your supplementary reader. Okay, today we are going to see a supplementary lesson. So take your supplementary reader if you have the book. Okay. Yes. So you can just take Unit 2, The Friendly Mongoose. You can just see the mongoose here, isn't it? Can you see the mongoose here, which with a bushy tail, isn't it? Yes. So here, the friendly mongoose. A farmer, his wife, and their small child lived in a village. There was also a baby mongoose in the house, who they believed would be their son's companion and friend in future. One day, the farmer and his wife went out, leaving the child alone with the mongoose. What do you think would have happened there? Will anyone leave the child alone with the mongoose? What will the mongoose do? Okay, so just think your answers, all of you. So let us get into the story and see what is happening to the child. Okay, so when I am reading, just follow the lines. You can just see here. Okay, just follow the lines. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son, which is a baby. They loved him very much. The farmer said, "We must have a pet." The farmer said to his wife one day, "When our son grows up, he will need a companion." Companion means friend, isn't it? The farmer is telling when the son is growing up, he needs a friend. So we should have some pet in the house. You would have some dogs, cats, lovebirds, parrots, isn't it? It will be your pet. So just like that, the farmer is thinking the son needs some friend. So this pet will be our son's companion. Okay, so the farmer is telling we need a pet for our son to be his friend. So his wife also liked the idea of the farmer. One evening, the farmer brought him a tiny mongoose. Okay, what did the farmer brought with them? A tiny mongoose. Do any one of you have mongoose as a pet animal? No, isn't it? But see here what the farmer brought. He brought a mongoose. "It is a baby mongoose," said the wife, "but will be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son." So what the farmer's wife is telling, now it is a baby mongoose, but soon it will grow up and then it will be a son's friend. So both the baby and the mongoose grew together. You can just see here, no? They both are playing happily and they both are growing together. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size. But what about the baby? Will the baby grow within 5 or 6 months? No, it will still be a baby only. A lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. What is in the cradle? What is cradle? Cradle means where the baby used to sleep. You can just see the cradle here. isn't it? The baby is sleeping in the cradle. This is cradle. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, "I am off to bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Frankly, I don't like to have the child alone with the mongoose." So what the farmer's wife is telling, I am going to the market, the baby is sleeping, and you have to take care of the baby because I don't believe that mongoose. Okay, I don't want my child to be alone with the mongoose, so better take care of my son. So saying so, the farmer's wife left to the market. Okay, the farmer is telling, "You needn't be afraid," said the farmer. "The mongoose is a friendly animal. It is as sweet as a baby, and they are the best of friends, you know." So what the farmer is telling, you don't want to worry. You can go to the market, okay, and don't get suspicious on the mongoose. Okay, the mongoose is a very friendly animal. It will take care of our son so nicely because they both are friends. The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at its field not far away. He ran into some friends on the way back and didn't return for quite some time. So what happened? The farmer's wife told the farmer to take care of the son. But what he said, did he listen to his wife's word? No. What he did, he went to the field to check his crops. And when he is returning back, he met some of his friends. So if he met his friends, what he will do? He will started to chat with the friends, and he forgot to return to home quickly. Okay, so he didn't return to home for quite some time. Now what happened? See here, the farmer's wife returned home from the market carrying a heavy basket. Okay, why the basket is very heavy? Yes, she has bought so many things from the market. She found the mongoose at the entrance of the house with blood on his face and paws. So just imagine, the farmer's wife is coming back from the market and she is just seeing the mongoose mouth full of blood. What will you do? What the farmer's wife will think? Okay, let us see what she does. She jumped to the conclusion that it was her son's blood and the mongoose was the guilty one. So what she thought? The mongoose had bitten the child. Okay, the farmer's wife, just see here, just follow this paragraph, children. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as was customary, because usually your pet animals will do, isn't it? When you go out, when you come back from after finishing your work outside, when you come back to home, what your pet animals will do? It will run towards you out of affection. Just like that, this mongoose is also running towards the farmer's wife when it sees the farmer's wife returning from the market. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. Why is she screaming? Screaming means shouting. Okay, so why is she screaming? Blood, she cried. Where was the blood? The blood was in the mouth of the mongoose. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. Smeared means it was completely covered with blood. And what she's telling, "You wicked animal, you have killed my baby," she screamed hysterically. So what she thought, that the mongoose had killed the baby. Okay, she was blind with rage. Rage means, what is the meaning of rage here? Anger. Okay, she was blind with rage, and with all the strength she brought down a heavy basket full of groceries. Okay, so once she dropped the groceries onto the mongoose, what will happen? Will the mongoose withstand the weight? Not at all, isn't it? So see what happening here. Okay, he just dropped the groceries on the blood smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. She want to see the child. You can just see here, she dropped something on the mongoose. The baby was fast asleep, but on the floor lay a black snake. Okay, torn and bleeding. So whose blood was that? It was the blood of the snake, not the baby. Okay, so it was just saving the, you can just see here. So now the farmer's wife understood that a snake as enters, and the mongoose fought with the snake to save the child. But what she thought? She thought that it was the blood of the baby. Okay, so in a flash she realized that what had happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. "Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done?" she cried, touching the mongoose, who laid dead and still unaware of her sobbing. Sobbing means crying here. Okay. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly, stared long at the dead mongoose. What is staring? Just looking without blinking your eyes. Then she heard the baby crying. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed the baby. So this story was taken from the Panchatantra. Okay, it's a collection of stories. Okay, children, do you all understand this poem? Okay, the lesson. Do you all understand the lesson? So here is your summary of the lesson. Okay, just read the summary once along with me. Once there was a farmer, his wife, and their small son, whom they loved very much. One day, farmer told his wife to have a pet for his son as a companion for him. The farmer brought a tiny mongoose who will soon grow up and becomes friend to our son. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size, a lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. One day, after feeding the baby and rocked him to sleep in his cradle, farmer's wife decided to go to the market. Picking up the basket, she told the farmer to look after the baby and not to leave him alone with the mongoose. Farmer also went to his field and then to his friends and did not return for some time. After shopping, wife returned back home with groceries and found mongoose at the entrance door. But suddenly she screamed, seeing the blood on his face and paws. She thought that Mongoose has killed her son. In a fit of rage, she threw the heavy basket of groceries on him and ran inside to see the baby. Baby was lying fast asleep, but on the floor, a black blood-smeared snake was lying cold and dead. She immediately understood what had happened. She ran outside to look at the mongoose, but he was lying dead, unable to hear wife's sobbing. Okay, do you understand this lesson? So today's assignment is read the lesson and the summary, children. Write the summary of the lesson once in your assignment notebook. Don't write anything in your classwork today. Okay, so do the assignment. Okay, and you can just keep it yourself. When we ask you to submit, you can submit your assignments also. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Stay safe.